Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to shape and transform data in Excel. Let's begin to learn shaping and transforming data.
Now that our data is clean, let's shape and transform it to make it more useful. First, let's split the full name column into first name and last name. Having two separate columns makes sorting and searching much easier. Click G1, type first name, click H1, type last name. Select B2 to B9, press Ctrl-C to copy, click G2, press Ctrl-V. Keep G2 to G9 selected, Data tab, split text to columns. Select space as delimiter, names are separated by a space, click Apply. First name is now in column G and last name in column H. Now let's sort the data by department. Sorting groups all employees from the same department together. Click anywhere inside Department column. Inside Data tab, click Sort Ascending. HR employees are now first, then Marketing, then Sales. Finally, let's filter the data to focus on specific departments. Inside Data tab, Filter, click Department dropdown, uncheck HR, click Apply. Only Sales and Marketing employees are visible now. Click Clear, all rows visible again. Our data is now fully shaped, split into useful columns, sorted, and ready to filter anytime.
If you want to learn the complete data analysis and visualization with Excel course, full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.